Hi kids! Today we are drawing an elephant. Let's draw face and trunk first. Now we will draw ears. Now let's draw eyes. Now we are drawing legs and body. Finally, we will draw the tail. And our elephant is complete. Let's color the elephant. The elephant is gray in color. Elephants are the largest land animals. They are very intelligent animals. Elephants have large trunk and giant ears. Thanks for watching.